Hi friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Alicia, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this simple, easy alt makeup look for every day. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I'm using this light brown and I'll be spreading that all over my eyelids. I'm using my jet black liner from e.l.f. and I'll be making this wing. I'll do it in normal time for you guys to see how I'm doing this wing, but it's a very big wing with an extra little point because I have hooded eyes. I just giving it an extra, pizzazz. So yeah, you could follow along with me, and I zoomed up the video for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going in with my inner corner liner and I'm drawing it bigger than usual because I want it to be a little more dramatic as it's an alt look, and any mess that you make can be cleaned up using concealer. I use the LA Girl one, and I'll be showing you the same thing on the next eye so you guys could also follow along again. I'm going to line my waterline with my black eyeliner pencil. And I'll be using the same liner to line my lips. Here I'm just putting back in all my beauty marks. Okay friends, so this is the finished look. Thank you all for all the support and love. Please like, comment and subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.